So when you repaint an old building, it becomes new, right? I feel Samsung has done exactly the same thing here with the Galaxy Fold 4, but this time they added some new features and some part of the device looks more perfect from its predecessor. Now here's a quick hands-on and impression on the device. In terms of build, the first thing I noticed was the Galaxy Fold 4 is way lighter and a bit shorter and thinner than last year's Fold 3. So if you put this device side to side, you will definitely notice the difference. The camera layout at the rear still looks the same, but this time with some new sensors inside. So on the left side of the device, where the SIM tray is located, supports up to 2 nano SIM and 1 eSIM. You also get IP8X water resistant, so going underwater with this device shouldn't be a problem, but if you go deeper or you stay longer, then there's a problem. The Fold 4 also supports stylus, same as last year's. Same button and key placement on the device, but not to forget, the hinge now looks smaller as compared to that on the Galaxy Fold 3. So in terms of color options, they will come in 3 colors, or I think 4 colors, which is grey, green, phantom black and beige. I personally love the black, but the grey green also looks good and sometimes changes when there's light reflecting on it. Now talking about the display, the screen looks good. Both the main screen and cover screen look super vibrant and color accurate. With the display, you get the same foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and 1200 nits of brightness. But I think the Galaxy Fold 4 has the best display on the foldable yet, or what do you think? So the main screen, which is wide when you unfold it, comes in at 7.6 inch, whilst the cover screen also comes in at 6.2 inch with 120Hz refresh rate, and it changes depending on what you are doing because it's adaptive. I guess you are still wondering if there's a slot for S Pen. No, but you can get a cover or a case which would allow you to have an S Pen attached to your Galaxy Fold 4, same as what you saw on last year. Now touching on a little bit on the cameras, the under display camera has been improved. I was able to take some images and record a video with the under display camera, but I guess you are not going to be like, wow, how did they do this? I feel there's more work to be done, but in all, it still looks good. Since you are always not going to use this device unfolded, the cover screen also comes with a 10 megapixel lens for the selfie camera, and it can also record videos up to 4K in resolution. So there are 3 cameras set up at the back of the device, which the design looks the same as last year's model with a much improved 50 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a telephoto camera which is 10 megapixel. You can record videos up to 8K FPS resolution, being the highest resolution you get from the Galaxy Fold 4 cameras. From what I'm seeing on the screen, it looks awesome and good. Let's say you have this phone, maybe this can even be your vlogging camera. So because I wasn't able to use the device for a longer period of time, I can't say much about the software, but whilst I was using it, I never noticed a lag whilst scrolling or even using it in general. Everything was smooth, and it comes with One UI 4.1.1 Android 12L, and the battery, which is another important aspect of the device. You get a 4400 mAh battery, same as last year's, but maybe this time with the upgrade in chipset, which is the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, battery life is going to differ from last year's. And oh, you get a 25-watt fast charging support, which can juice up this device to 50% in 30 minutes. Wireless charging has also been improved from 11 to 15 for fast wireless charging. So this is everything I know. About the Galaxy Fold 4, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to know about this device. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.